All right, this time I'm going to be opening up some NFL packs, a couple of absolute football packs I got in the mail, and then a pack of Prism that I got at the store today. So let's start with the absolute football. Open, of course. Watch. What do we got here? Okay, we got Jeff Okuda. Look at that. I like that. Rookie card. Willie Gay Jr., AJ Green, who's now in Arizona. Tyreek Hill. Nice. And Travis Kelce. So kind of a Chiefs heavy pack. I like that. I'll hold on to those two. All right, pack number 2. All right, so we got a Kid Reporter card, whatever that is. Joe Reed, wide receiver, rookie card. Eno Benjamin. Jeff Gladney. Matt Ryan. And oh boy, Deshaun Watson. Oh yeah, nice. This may be a relic soon if he gets traded. So, like that. All right. Now the prison pack. Here we go, boys and gals. Ooh. Joe Burrow right away. DJ Chark. Drew Brees. And a somewhat a little disappointing Drew Lock. But that Joe Burrow though, ooh, looking good. All right.